Hi, my name is Emmanuel. I'm one of the technical co-founders of Solva. Solva lets a bank or an exchange prove it holds enough money to cover what it owes its customers. And it does that without revealing anyone's balance. Normally, you trust an audit. An audit checks a few accounts, takes weeks, and by the time it reads, the numbers are already old. What a store data. Solver replaces that with a proof. It takes the money the institution holds, its reserves, and the money it owes its customers, its liabilities, and it proves that the reserves are greater than or equal to liabilities. It is a zero knowledge proof. So it shows the total, but never a single customer's balance. A smart contract on Stellar checks the proof on chain, so anyone can verify it, and it can run again and again, so the picture stays what fresh. Let's have a demo of how this works out. So we do just end to end. So this command runs the full pipeline on Stellar testnet. It deploys a fresh contract, pulls in signed balances from a bank sandbox, builds the proof, and publishes it to the contract, which verifies it on chain. When the reserves are above liabilities, the proof is published and verified. And here is the part that matters most. When results fall below liabilities, the system refuses. It will not build a proof for a lie. That is the whole point. So here is a terminal simulation end to end. So over here on the website, on the sandbox page, we have a live test already existing for you to try it out. First, I will connect a demo bank by as the data source and then run a cycle. It builds the proof and publishes it on chain. So let's proof and publish. So the transaction here is the transaction on the Stellar Explorer. So you can see it and it's real and public. So here it is. You can see it and verify. And then you can run verification on chain. And then you can also run customer inclusion. So that is what Solver is actually bringing on Stellar. Proof of reserve and liabilities on Stellar out in the open. So the white paper, the code, the repo, more details are actually, you will find them in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.